Another present for Albie? Albie got another present? And you got more presents? Hey, Albie got presents? Oh, come on, Albie. I know there's something underneath there for you. Oh, is that your present? Oh, boy, that's yours, isn't it? Oh, yeah, there you go. See, I told you. Is that yours? What you got? What you got going on there, Albies?
Open it.
Yeah, is that yours? Yes. What you got? What is it?
I don't know, you're off too damn tight. I can't open the damn thing.
Hey, he's like,
I gotta take it over here.
that's
What you got?
Yeah.
Is that Albie's
Open it.
Christmas? Oh, look what you got. You got a boat. Oh, what is it?
That's showing that. Yeah, I know. I was watching it. That's cool.
Because I got it all in video. Hell yeah, I told you.
Oh, that's funny.
What is that? A bone for Albie albums.
He don't listen very well.
Yes,
He knows how to unwrap a present.
I know, he took it like right out from under
Yes,
the tree.
Yeah.